Welcome everyone to my new channel. And with this channel, I know you guys have been getting frustrated, tired, angry, all that good stuff. And you feel like I've neglected you from seeing the true massage and what I go through, everything that we talked about in certain videos you haven't seen. And that's only because YouTube, which don't get me wrong, I love YouTube. I love any other social media platform, Facebook and those other platforms that allow us as creators to get out there and put our content out there so you guys can enjoy it and really see what's going on. And through YouTube, they're not as friendly as they used to be. In the very beginning, if you think about it, they had a program to where they were paying you, shoot, I think almost up to 8 to 10 cents per click when they were trying to get people first on YouTube. And as you can see throughout the years, it has gone down to like maybe half a cent per click, or even a fraction of a penny per click. So like 1,000 clicks would equal, or 1,000 views would probably equal $5. But 1,000 people watching your videos, it's hard to do on YouTube these days because it's so saturated. But you can still do it. But there's a lot of ads on YouTube. There's a lot of family friendly ads on there, and for the videos that I give you, yes, you're going to have some young lady on the table, young man on the table, and we're going to be in the groin area. We're going to be in the breast area. We're going to be inside the mouth, TMJ type of massage. So that's why I created this channel, so no one can interrupt us. So nobody can interfere with us as well. And there's copyright infringement laws and copyright laws where we can't even use certain people's songs. Even though those song companies are making millions of dollars, they do not want us using their music, even though that brings more people to them. So many of you guys have asked about the music that I use in my videos. It's not to frighten you or to upset you, to make you mad, and it doesn't go with the theme of massage. It's just some of those songs I can actually use in my videos. So with this website, I can use anything I want. If I own it, I bought it, it's mine. I'm not monetizing off of it like YouTube or social media. So that's why I'm making this channel. And let me introduce myself. My name is Benjamin Cato. I'm a licensed massage therapist. I've been a licensed massage therapist for almost 16 years. In 2019 will be 16 years. I can't believe it's been that long. And I went through a lot of training, a lot of continuing education classes and training to where no one else gets to see this type of training. They don't allow video cameras, they don't allow cell phones, they don't allow pictures or anything. So I designed this channel to bring out, or to show you guys everything that I've gone through to make you a better massage therapist. Schools aren't going to teach you this type of massage or these types of modalities because there's a lot of lawsuits that could happen with deep tissue massage, prenatal massage, hot stone massage, lomi lomi, fire cupping, lymphatic drainage, craniosacral, sports massage, and the list goes on and on. Even chair massage can be dangerous if you do certain things that a school would teach you. They have liability issues. So that's why this channel has been formed as well. So this is going to be a basic overview of why I'm creating this channel. Because a lot of you have wrote nasty complaints, problems, giving me hell and high water, even on my personal email. Those are the emails that you guys don't see on the YouTube channels or any social media, and I wish I could post them, but I think that would get me in some sort of trouble. I'm not supposed to give you guys information over the internet, but I hear you. I have heard you for a long time, and I appreciate you guys hanging in there. For those who I lost years ago or a couple months back, oh well, you can always come back. There's no button that says, oh, you'll never get in again. No, I want you guys to come back because yes, I have neglected you a little bit because there's only so many things that I can do on YouTube. So just a disclaimer, and I'm going to give you guys a 5-second countdown. I know I went through all that in the beginning, but here's your 5-second warning to leave the channel because you may hear something that you don't like. You should be gone. You may hear something that offends you. You may hear something that offends your religion or offends your sports team for some crazy ass reason. You know, it's like you liking the Dallas Cowboys or something. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? But anyway, I mean, come on, Jesus. Or the fucking Patriots. Jeez. But anyways, you know, I love sports. Period. You know, I watch football. Even if those jokers were playing in the Super Bowl or playoffs, I would still watch. If I had to. Jesus. But I may offend you with a political view or who you like for your favorite rap artist or some shit like that, or your favorite country singer or some shit. I don't know why I threw country in there, but hey, I listen to all music. Hey, I'm a Marine. We listen to everything, especially if you're in a barracks room full of 3 or 4 other knuckleheads that are your rack mates. Oh fuck, you gotta listen to every fucking thing. So anyway, this stuff may be personal for you. You can click away. You do not have to listen to me. You do not, repeat, you do not have to listen to me. Now, if it makes sense for you, if the movements that I'm doing to the clients that you see in the videos and you're like, wow, I can use that, then that's what you should use me for. Use me as an educator. Don't, everything I say isn't for you. It's not for everyone. You're not, everybody in this world is supposed to like me. I wouldn't like if everybody liked me. I would think I would be in a dream world. Like, am I sane? Like, why does everybody like? I already know that's not going to be true. So you take the good with the bad. You take the good information and you move on. Forget the bad stuff, or you can just click out of the channel. You've been warned. You will see nudity. You will see, for an example, medical massage. There are a lot of classes that people take for medical massage training, and I'm like, well, wait a minute. If that person gets a tear in their inguinal ligament, which is in the groin area, if they do a split, like a construction worker that I worked on, he split his pubic bone in half, where the pubic symphysis in the middle, it's split. He had to get major surgery. Yeah, because he had a steel beam. I don't know why he was carrying a steel beam, but somehow he slipped into one of these little drainage ditches. Crazy accident. So in the Medi-Spa, after they suture and clean his wounds up and heal him back together, we have to massage them because it's lymphatic drainage. We need to get good healing because his whole area, his sac area, pretty much groin area, was full of fluid. Even though they drained out a lot of it, remember, it's healing. Inflammation is going to be in that area. In that area, it's very, very sensitive. It's hard. If you had a facial surgery, something done with the side of your face or forehead area, this side, whatever, cranial nerves, facial features, you need to learn lymphatic drainage. Medical massage. You might have to even go inside the mouth. Yeah, all that good stuff. So we're going to have to go to the groin. We're going to have to go into the mouth. You may have to go into the ears. You may have to know if somebody has a colostomy bag. Can you massage them? That's not a regular massage. Any massage school will teach you. My courses will. Medical. It's going to be a true medical massage course. It's not going to be the bullshit that you've paid $800 to $1,200 to get a workshop credit certificate, which is no such thing. It's either going to be a regular certificate or a certification. Those are the only two things that you're going to get. Continuing education units. So this channel, like I said, it's a warning. You're going to see breast area. If somebody just had a mastectomy or they augmented their breast to where they got a breast implant, or right underneath where they make those incisions, you may have to massage right underneath where that serratus anterior is, which is kind of a little bit on the side, but it does come to the front, the pectoralis major. You got to grab on in there and massage. And so somebody's breast, yeah, this may seem a little bit sexual, but in that medical massage setting, Medi-Spas, that's why Medi-Spas are around, that's not sexual. They signed a waiver. That's what these classes are going to show you. What you should be signing for. What you should tell your clients about certain procedures in the room, because they're going to be laying there and they don't know you're supposed to be, they don't know you're not the doctor. Everybody assumes that, oh, okay, I thought the doctor was going to do this. No, I'm the massage therapist. Those doctors don't know shit. They don't. They don't know shit about massage. They don't. No. So when I have to do lymphatic drainage right on that breast area, I need to know what I'm doing. I need to know to explain to them so I don't have a sexual assault lawsuit or get fired or get my license taken away. This channel's for a purpose. If you've come on this channel as a YouTube naysayer or motherfucker who just wants to complain, this is not for you. I already gave you the 5-second countdown. You should have been fucking gone a long time ago. You will hear me curse. You will hear me be honest, brutally honest. I would rather you hate me than hate yourself for doing a bullshit job with your client and they're not coming back, they're not tipping you well. Hell, people are firing you because you can't retain clients, because that's what it is these days. Is how do you retain clients? Client retention. So I'm going to curse. I'm going to make you feel uneven a little bit. Because if I was easy, I don't even know why you would be here. I wouldn't even talk to my damn self. Like, damn, you suck. And I'd be talking to myself. Like, you suck. Come on. Use your head. You know what you're here for. If you're down for the raw and uncut videos that I could not show you on YouTube and Vimeo, Facebook, Pinterest, all those other social media platforms that you see me on, this is for you. If you want training, if you need your continuing education units, certificates, this is for you. Also, it's for other practitioners. If you are a barber, why aren't you doing a scalp massage on your clients? Do you know how much money you can charge? $10, $15, $20 easily, especially if you're a female barber. Oh God, oh man, you can make some money. And I will have a video for a friend of mine. She's a barber, esthetician, and a massage therapist. Can you fucking believe that shit? Yo, and she makes a lot of money. I will have her on here. Her name is Dream. And when you see her, actually, she's in one of my videos. I'm pretty sure you probably saw her. She has a real short haircut, has a little coily, little spinny, little somethings in her head, but she looks great. And she does all three. And I taught her how to do a scalp massage. You know what I mean? Before she went to massage therapy school, which she's a recent graduate, because of me. And because remember, I gave her a massage in that video. If you've seen it, like, don't get high with your clients, I will send you guys the link, and you'll see it. And I'm massaging her head, and she wanted to learn it. She was so, like, overcome with joy, because that scalp massage, not too many black women, especially women in general, especially if you have nice hair and you just got it done, you're not going to tell or allow your man to touch your hair. So when I touched her scalp, released so much tension and stress from her, she was hooked. She literally, within the next week or so, went to the massage school and said, hey, I want to become a massage therapist. Isn't that crazy? The power of massage. So this channel is going to show you guys we are like the best drug in this world besides love. Love is the most powerful drug of them all. And I'm not saying a bad drug, no. I'm saying something that's good for your body, good to heal you spiritually, mentally, physically, all of that good stuff. Emotionally, all those things. Touch. So if you want to be a beast, if you want to know how to massage, you don't have to have a license, you don't have to go to a massage school. This is a great channel for you as well. If you are a yogi, man, can you imagine being a yoga instructor and knowing massage as well? Come on, you can make a lot of money. A young lady named Riley, she's very young too, like 19, 20 years old, and she's now a yoga instructor. And she incorporates massage right after her yoga sessions. She does well. She has clients. And she's a practicing massage therapist. There's going to be certain code words and not so much acronyms, but sort of words you need to learn. You can't just say you're a licensed massage therapist. I'm going to teach you what you need to say and what you can call yourself, so you don't get in trouble with the law, get in trouble with your job, get in trouble with your business. So you can stay away from the IRS and any other chiropractic board licensing people who want to get you in trouble and stop you from making money. So that's who this site is for. So many people, not just massage therapists. It's for everyone. Everyone. Even if you're a single male, single female, you want to give your mom a massage. Your mom just got through a surgery, arm surgery. I need to learn to work my mom's arms or her fingers. She has rheumatoid arthritis and her fingers like bent sideways. Oh, I'm going to teach you how to massage all up in there, and it's going to release those damn fingers and get back to where functionality, to where she can function, where she can grip certain exercises, hand exercises. Man, I can barely do them my damn self, but even trying to do this at the side, it takes focus to do that. It takes certain little small muscles, the interosseous muscles of your fingers, palmar interosseous muscles, to put your fingers together and go side. See how slow, because for some people it's easy, some people it's not. You're going to have to do your hand gripping exercises. That's what this channel is for. Is to teach you guys, not just because you went to school for 7, 8 months or a year or longer. It's for just Everybody who's an aficionado of massage therapy. So if you love massage therapy, welcome. If you do not like massage therapy, or you just don't like me, just because I'm black or something, or young or successful, whatever, you can look away. You can turn. Or you can imagine I'm a different color, I guess, or a female or alien, whatever you want to do. It's your world. I'm not here to stop you. So, with that, let's talk about certificates and certification. What does that mean for this website? There's a lot of people who go to these continuing education seminars or websites or wherever they go to get trained on, I want to learn fire cupping. They might only give you a piece of paper that says, hey, workshop certificate. This is a training session, training demo, whatever it may be. With my courses, you will get a certificate that you can use. Not some bullshit certificate that you found online or you went to, I don't know, whatever state. I don't want to give it a state a bad name. And you got some sort of piece of paper taught by somebody who's not even a licensed massage therapist, who isn't even a registered massage therapist, certified massage therapist, medical massage therapist, a chiropractor, doctor. Come on, you got to be something to even be giving these classes. You're not even an instructor. You're not even registered. There are people giving classes who haven't even gone to school or nothing, and they're making a fortune off of you. So with me, yes, I'm licensed in everything. I'm instructor to massage therapist, medical massage practitioner, everything. You cannot go wrong with me. So my classes, certification or there's certificate and then the certification. The difference between both of them is the certificate allows me to give you the tools that you need to do to survive, to make money, to get promoted. You can use this for employment, all of that good stuff. Now the certification is where you have to take a test. Certification just means I'm giving you a certificate with a test. Like college. College, you don't get a degree until you've taken certain exams, quizzes, tests, and then an exam, right? For all you college students. Or community colleges or trade schools, it comes with an exam. Healthcare practitioners, exam, that's certification. Like a RN, registered nurse, all of their stuff is certification because it comes with a test. Now, if you get a certificate, there's no nurse in the world that has just a certificate because it's a very technical field. Massage therapy, it's only technical with certain modalities like craniosacral, medical massage, so on and so forth. So for me, if you want the certificate that you can use anywhere, and you get continuing education units with it. Some are 6 units, some are 3, some are 12, some are 14, some are 18. It's just depending on which course you take. For example, reflexology. Reflexology, you would get 14 continuing education units, CEUs. That's all CEU stands for, continuing education unit. So with that said, when you take these courses, which you're going to find on a link right up here somewhere on the left hand side of your website, you can click on it, click certification, you'll just put in your email, your name, and you will have a certificate of training. So when your employer looks at that, like, wow, all I care about is that person's training. Where have you been trained? Who was this person? Is this training good for how many years? My training is always going to be good for 2 years. You always have to recertify every 2 years.